Testing for methylation. Methylation is a process by which nutrients are used to either donate or receive a methyl group, which is basically a carbon and 3 hydrogen groups. And it's driven by what we call the folate pathways, the SAMe pathway, the glutathione pathway. There's so many pathways involved in the process of methylation. It's really a process that controls the replication of DNA, the aging process of each individual cell, and ultimately plays a role in the development or even the lack of development of chronic diseases. And nutrients actually need to regulate these processes of DNA replication to produce hormones, to produce neurotransmitters, and so forth. So to assess methylation, the most comprehensive test available is identification of methylation pathways, which involves SAMe, identification of SAMe, S-adenosylmethionine, SAS, S-adenosyl homocysteine, 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, folinic acid tetrahydrofolate. So this is basically the constructs of nutrients involved in both the folate as well as the SAMe pathway. But in addition to that, one can also identify the genetic SNPs for MTHFR, which stands for methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase, MTR, MTR, RAHCY, and COMP gene mutation. So we can actually look at all the various gene mutations to identify which pathway is being affected. MTHFR is possibly the most pronounced marker for methylation status. And this can be identified either in a blood spot or in a buccal swab. However, there are a number of other ways we can also identify methylation. You can actually break down those methylation pathways, possibly identification of histamine and its metabolites, from histamine through diamine oxidase, which is copper-driven, or histamine through HNMT, which is histamine N-methyltransferase, can also be identified in a blood sample. So there's so many ways one can identify the status of methylation. But to determine which test is right for you, please speak with your healthcare professional, or you may want to contact us to order a test, get your results interpreted, or seek guidance for your specific health condition. To learn more, check out our Learning Centre for more in-depth education on this very topic. Thank you.